Good morning, students. Yesterday we have learned what is accounting and how it is important in a business. As I have told you, accounting is very important for a business to keep the record of all the business transactions. Okay? Today we will learn how many types of accounting is. Now we will see. This is called types of accounting, or we can say branches of accounting. There are three types of branches. First one is financial accounting. In this accounting, any businessman knows the profit and loss. We cannot determine profit and loss if we are not preparing financial accounting. We should know what is financial accounting. In this account, we come to know what is the profit and what is the loss at the end of the year. Okay? And it is prepared end of the year. In detail, we will learn after some time. And what is the cost accounting, which is the second branch of accounting. In this cost accounting, when any factory manufactured some goods or produced some goods, at that time they don't know what the cost should be of that article, of that item. So in cost accounting, any businessman come to know the price of that goods which we have produced, what the cost of per unit should be. Okay? And the third one is management accounting. This accounting helps to the management in taking the decision. Okay? In this way, there are three types of accounting that we do. Now, after understanding the types of accounting, we should know what is bookkeeping. This is a new term, bookkeeping. As it is clear with the name bookkeeping, it doesn't mean to keep the book in Almira. It means it's a commercial term. Okay? So, bookkeeping is the recording of financial transactions. Now, you are thinking, what is the difference between accounting and bookkeeping? I have told you, to keep the record of business transaction is also, this was found in accounting. But is a part of process of accounting. Bookkeeping is a part of process of accounting, and accounting is a process. In accounting, we not only keep the record of business transaction, but we summarize, analyze and communicate, and we learn how to do the work of bookkeeping at the time of preparing accounting, doing accounting. Means we can say bookkeeping is a part of accounting. As I have told you, identification, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing and communicating. This is the process of accounting. First, in accounting, we will identify, as I have told you, identify the business transactions. After that, we see that transaction is of monetary term or not monetary. And after that, we keep the record by preparing journal. After that, we classify all the transaction in a systematic way. After that, accounting work starts. This is all accounting, but from identify to classify is the work of bookkeeping, and summarizing, analyzing and communicating, this is the work of accounting. Okay, we can say this is all accounting, but from identify to classify of business transaction is called bookkeeping, and from identify to communicating, all these points are involved in accounting. Okay, now we will see what is the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Let's see. This bookkeeping is a clerical job, is a clerical work, and any junior staff can do this type of work. Means any clerical staff or junior staff can identify, measure, recording and classify the business transactions. This work can be done by junior staff or clerical staff, as I have told you. And from here means from summarizing, analyzing and communicating, all these work cannot be done by any junior staff. This work is to be done by chartered accountant or senior staff. The person who has special experience, experiencing person only can do this work, or CA, chartered accountant, can do this work because he has taken the specialization in that subject. Okay, and bookkeeping is a primary stage. When we start keeping the record of business transaction, from identify to classify, this is called the primary stage. Primary stage of keeping the record of business transactions. Okay, and this is the second stage. Second stage starts from summarizing, analyzing and communicating. All these steps are analyzed. For doing these work, specialization must be there in the person, and this is a routine job. From identify to classify, all transactions are kept, are written in the books of account on routine basis, but summarizing, analyzing and communicating, all these actions are not done daily. These actions are the analytical part, and these are the work. These work are very time. Students, I was saying that to do the work of bookkeeping, a person should not be specialized. If he takes some training how to keep the record of business transaction, he can do the work easily. But for analyzing, for preparing the financial accounting as trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet, all these things are prepared by the specialized person. Okay, and so that person must have the specialized keys in him. He should have the experience. Without experience, he cannot analyze. He cannot give the right result. Okay, I think you have understood the branches of accounting and what is bookkeeping, what is the difference between bookkeeping and